So I am back again in this video, and this video is part of the Linux command series which I am making. I am kinda new, so feel free to give me any feedback and all. Okay, so let's get started with this video. So in this video I am gonna explain few commands like psaux, uh, top and htop. So all these three commands are related to give you information about CPU and the process, PID information and all, like which processes are running in your system currently. You can say kinda similar to task manager in your Windows, but little different. Okay, so let's start it without wasting. So first command I will say psaux. Uh, it will basically display the info about your process PIDs and all. So you can see a user, like which user started the process, PID of the process, CPU used by the process, memory used by the process. There's some other info. I am pretty not sure about that, and there are also some commands which are responsible for starting those processes, or the commands which are run by the process. VSZ and RSS I am exactly not sure. You can check it out. Or should I explain? Uh, let's search it on Google for a while. Let's ask ChatGPT. Okay, I was looking for the commands and all to explain, like which commands I should explain for this video. So this previous ChatGPT is for that, if someone is curious. In psaux output, explain in one line. I want short info, not big. Sure, here we have virtual set size, resident set size, and terminal teletype. Total virtual memory allocated to the process. Okay, actual physical memory used by the process in KBs. Associated with the process example PTS if none. With the process example PTS 0, TTY I'm not sure, but virtual memory, virtual set size, resident set size. Basically, actual memory, physical and the virtual. Let's see the command. Okay, so see, virtual memory is this much used by the root process by SBN init splash. Real uh, real memory is this much. I ignore that for now, but this is the output which you will see, basically PID info and the process info with the psaux command. So you can clear the output by there should be ps maybe help uh, for the more info, ps options, ps help, AUX simple list output threads misc. This command seems to be pretty interesting. We use psaux minus minus help. Okay, options, it is not showing any options, but just remember psaux is used to display the info about the processes and threads and all. And let's move forward to the next command, which is top. You can say it is a little advanced version of psaux. It also displays about the CPU, CPU uses, memory uses, process PID and all. But see, the user interface is kinda little better than psaux. You can use arrows to explore top, bottom and all. You can see some info about the CPU and memory usage of the system on the above. The CPU usage is process wise, like as I'm scrolling you can see like CPU usage is changing because it's for different processes. So this is the output of top command, and there is one more command which is, you can say, little advanced version of top, which is htop. So if I press htop, you see a little better UI is opened. You can still see the PID and process info like memory, CPU, commands used by the process, commands run by the process and all. Some memory uses, swap uses on the above, load average, uptime, uh, my CPU has 12 cores, so you can see 11 cores CPUs is above. So a little better UI for the info related to process and all for your system. So this is top command. And yeah, if anyone don't see htop installed in your system, you can just use sudo apt install htop to installing htop, because htop is not is not available in your system by default. Sometimes you need to install it. So this is the command. If I run it, it is already installed, so that's why it is saying nothing is installed now. But if it is not installed in your system, you can install it by this command. So this is all about psox, htop and top, psox top and htop, whatever order you prefer. But all these commands are used for displaying the info about processes, CPU, memory uses in your system. It is it. So basically, if you wanna uh, get info about some particular, like if you see some process is running from a file and you want to kill that process, you can just use htop psox and grab some command and all for that process, and just take the PID and kill the process by kill and PID. So it will stop the process. So these are the uses. It depends on you how you're gonna use it. So cool. If you like the video, like, share, and subscribe. And don't see you in the next video.